Hey there everybody, welcome back to the booth. Sorry it's been a while since the last video, but these things happen. One of the things that happened in the interim was I did a complete refit of the sound treatment in here. Why did I do that? I had a problem with room modes, that is sort of the natural frequencies that are double the dimensions of the space that you're in, top to bottom, front to back, side to side. Double those dimensions, that gives you the wavelength of things that are bouncing around in here, and they all build up in the recording, and that's why you need sound treatment. I had just the initial walls that I built, and then this foam on top of it, the sort of 2-inch pyramid pattern foam. And the pyramid pattern foam, it looks good. It helps with some things, mostly high-end sound frequencies, but doesn't do great for low or low-mid stuff. So I needed to add more to deal with some of the things sort of in the 85 to like 150, 200 hertz range. And so what did I do? So glad you asked. Look, someone made a handy-dandy cross-section. This is the current wall in here. It also includes what was the original wall. The original wall was this felt on the outside, this layer of OSB, 2 layers of carpet padding with a little bit of air gap, another layer of OSB, and then the 2-inch pyramid-style acoustic foam. And calling it acoustic foam is a little goofy. It's just foam. They call it acoustic foam because then you'll be like, hey, that's going to help with acoustics because it's acoustic foam. So what I added was I pulled down all of the foam, and then I built 4-inch frames. And inside of those frames is 3.5 inches of rock wool. Actually, it's not rock wool. Rock wool is a brand name. It's mineral wool. It's made by the Pink Panther people, Owens Corning. It's R15. They also make an R13. I know that R15 is better for thermal insulation. I don't know how the two products rate versus each other as far as sound absorption, sound deadening, sound blocking. I have no idea which is better. I bought the R15. The R13 is a little less expensive. If anyone out there knows which one is actually better for sound absorption, please let me know. I'd love to have the information. I looked for it all over the place. Couldn't find it. So if I bought the wrong one, just get in the comments and say, hey, Dummy McDumdum, buy the R13 next time. And I'll say, yeah, okay, thanks for the tip. Anyway, those 4-inch frames will have the 3.5 inches of this and another little bit of an air gap. And then they're upholstered in moving blankets, which I got from Harbor Freight. They're normally about $9, but they're often on sale. There's almost always a coupon available for them. And if you don't see a coupon, just wait a little while. The next round of coupons will probably have a coupon for the moving blankets. And then I put the foam back on the outside, and it didn't completely eliminate all of the frequency problems I had, but it reduced it so much and also made it really, really much quieter in here. That's what the walls and the ceiling basically are. I also bought some corner base traps. I bought some corner base traps. There's a few other things too, like I made a few other foam-filled objects, but I made them white, and made them white to reflect the light in here because it gets really, really dark. This is actually how dark it usually is in here when I'm not recording a video. Anyway, I hope you found that helpful and informative. If you have more questions about how I built my own booth, I can't tell you precisely how much this would cost to build this booth, but I can tell you it's definitely under $1,000. I'm going to guess it's probably in the $500 to $600 range. So if there's any interest in finding out how much that cost and the construction method, I can let you know all about that. Thanks for stopping in. I hope you found this helpful, and I hope you have a great day.